everyone, so welcome to our first science lesson where we're going to be starting a new topic all about rocks. Now I don't know, some of you might know a lot about rocks, some of you might know a little bit, but hopefully through the course of these lessons you'll learn lots more. So we're going to start by looking at some different photos. So in a moment I'll show you a slideshow of some different photos and I want you to jot down, so make sure that you have a pen and paper for this part, or a pencil and paper, and I want you to jot down where you can see rocks in those different photos. So there are rocks in every single photo and I just want you to see how many times you notice rocks and in what form they are, so what those rocks are doing. Wow, I hope that you spotted all of the different rocks in those photos. So you should have seen rocks being used as walls, volcanoes, mountains. Those are all different types of rock. Now, there are natural and human-made rocks. There are 3 different types of naturally occurring rock. And we'll be talking a lot more about those in later lessons, but I just want to tell you the names now. And I want you to try and remember those names because they'll come in useful possibly next week or the week after. So those 3 natural types of rock, so that means that they happen naturally, they're made naturally, and people have no influence on them whatsoever. The 3 different naturally made rocks are metamorphic, igneous and sedimentary. Now you might not have heard those words before, so I'm just going to pop them on the screen now. They're igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary. Very strange words, I know, and we'll be thinking more about those in the coming weeks. So those are the 3 types of natural rock. The opposite of natural is man-made or human-made. Now you might have heard those terms before. Man-made or human-made, like the name suggests, means that humans have had something to do with it, that humans helped to create those rocks. So those man-made rocks or human-made rocks have been made, changed or moved by humans. So this just means that to get them to the point that we know them to be at, a human had an impact on them. A human did something to it to get it to that point. So if you'd like to be very posh and very scientific, you can call human rocks anthropic rocks. But don't worry if you can't remember or pronounce that word. Human-made or man-made is fine. So for your science activity today, you are going to have a list of rocks and you are going to be classifying them. Another posh word for you, another posh scientific word. So classifying just means sorting. So you're going to be sorting them into whether they are man-made or human-made or natural. So for each rock, you need to have a think about whether it's been made by a human or whether it is naturally occurring. So whether it would still exist if humans did absolutely nothing to it. So this is just for you to have a think about and move into the different sections, and then I'll have a look at them all to see what you know so far and what you might still be a little bit confused about. Okay, so that's all that you need to do. You need to do the drag and drop activity and submit it to me. If you can't use the Google slide, maybe if you're on a different device, then you can do it on paper, take a photo and submit it to me instead. That is absolutely fine. Just make sure that you're copying down those words and putting them under the headings that you think that they go under. Okay, I hope that you enjoy it. Good luck with this activity, and I look forward to seeing what you think and what you know already.